Hey guys, I'm Orville, and we just got new images of new Lightning Collection figures. So, first up is the Ecliptor and Astronomer 2-pack. Now we got a leaked image of his set back in June from China WonderCon, or China Wonder Festival. But we just got official images, so you can see the figures together. Here's the Ecliptor. Now, he comes with 3 effects pieces. And here's Astronomer, but with a new hairstyle from the one that we got from the In Space Red Astronomer 2-pack. And here's the box. Next up is Finster, the most shocking reveal in my opinion. We can see him right here. Here's another image. We can see he comes with a sculpting kit to make putties. And here's the box. This looks cool. Now, both of these figures will be Amazon exclusive. So, yeah, what do you guys think of this? And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.